In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails in Microsoft Outlook in one click following the 2025 guide. Managing your inbox efficiently is essential, and sometimes that means starting fresh by clearing out all emails in a specific folder. Let's break this down step by step for clarity and simplicity. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Outlook website. You can access your emails by visiting either outlook.office.com or outlook.com. Log in using your credentials, and you'll be directed to your inbox or the last open folder. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that you wish to manage. Once you're logged in, navigate to the folder that you want to clear. Common options include the inbox, junk, or sent items. Each of these folders serves different purposes, but clearing them follows the same process. Select the desired folder from the sidebar on the left side of your screen. At the top of your email list, you should see a little checkbox above the first email. Click on it to select all the emails currently displayed on the page. After this, a new option will appear at the top of your browser, allowing you to select all messages in the folder, not just those visible on the screen. This is an important step to ensure you truly clean out every email, not just what you see at first glance. Here comes the decisive moment. It's time to delete. With all emails selected, find the delete icon, which looks like a trash can, probably located at the top toolbar. Simply click this delete icon and watch as all the emails move to the deleted items folder. For a moment, you'll breathe a sigh of relief, knowing all those messages have moved out of your main folder. But wait, it isn't over yet. All these emails are now hanging out in the deleted items folder, and you might want to remove them permanently to reclaim space. Head over to your deleted items folder, which can be found in the sidebar. After opening it, look for an option that says Empty Folder. Clicking on this will prompt you to confirm. Once you do, all these emails will be removed permanently. Here's a pro tip for even quicker action. You can also right-click any folder you want to clear out completely. Choose the Empty Folder option from the drop-down menu and you're done. There you have it. All your emails have been deleted in just a few swift clicks. This method not only keeps your Outlook organized, but also ensures a clean slate for better efficiency. Implement this process whenever you need to quickly clear out your mailbox and maintain fewer distractions.